Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by readying hardware. Charge the Barracuda X, attach the detachable boom mic, and insert the wireless dongle. Once done, turn on the headset and watch the LED for pairing confirmation. This ensures a stable 2.4 GHz link. Make sure the mute switch on the boom is open so the mic is live. Then open your OS sound settings, select Razer Barracuda X as the default input. Doing this first prevents app conflicts and saves time when you move to fine-tuning. Next, position the boom mic about 1 to 2 centimeters from the corner of your mouth and angle it slightly upward. This picks up voice clearly while reducing breath noise. Open Razer Synapse or your system mixer to lower mic gain if clipping occurs, and enable any noise reduction or side tone so you can hear yourself. Once settings are applied, record a 10-15 second test clip at 48 kHz and listen back. This shows whether gain, position, or software filters still need adjustment before you join voice chat. Finalize by saving a profile in Razer Synapse and running a live test in your game or Discord. Make small adjustments as you talk to teammates so you hear real-world results. If the mic stops transmitting, first reseat the USB dongle and reboot the headset, then confirm the boom mute switch and the OS input device. This resolves most connection issues. And if volume is low, increase mic gain or move the mic a touch closer. These simple fixes solve most last-mile problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.